Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you social media enthusiasts out there. If you want to learn how to earn 100K through social media management, and that too with the help of ChatGPT, you're in for a treat. So let's dive right in and explore these 5 actionable steps to supercharge your social media income. Step 1. Understanding the power of ChatGPT. First things first, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's an AI-powered language model by OpenAI, designed to assist you in creating top-notch social media content. With ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, you can create engaging posts, write catchy captions, and even come up with exciting content ideas, all while saving time and effort. Step 2. Discovering your niche and target audience. Next, it's essential to identify your niche and target audience. Figure out what you're passionate about and what your potential clients might be interested in. Whether it's fashion, fitness, travel, or any other field, honing in on your niche helps you build a brand identity and attract the right followers. Step 3. Crafting compelling content. Content is king in the social media realm, and ChatGPT is your content creating companion. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging posts, informative blogs, and eye-catching graphics. By consistently providing value to your audience, you'll increase your reach and visibility, attracting more clients to your social media management services. Step 4. Building an engaged community. Growing a loyal and engaged community is the secret sauce to success in social media management. Encourage interactions, respond to comments, and make your followers feel valued. ChatGPT can help you create personalized responses, ensuring that your engagement remains authentic and relatable. Step 5. Scaling up with multiple clients. Once you've established your social media prowess, it's time to scale up. ChatGPT enables you to manage multiple client accounts efficiently. You can schedule posts, track analytics, and provide excellent customer service, all with ChatGPT's assistance. This scalability opens the door to more clients and, in turn, helps you reach that 100K income goal. Your path to 100K. By harnessing the power of this AI tool, you can unlock your social media potential and turn your passion into a thriving business. Remember, success in social media management requires dedication, creativity, and consistent efforts. So, stay committed to providing value to your audience, keep learning, and leverage ChatGPT's assistance to achieve your income goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow social media enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on social media, AI, and tech trends. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy social media managing.